We're still here.
Can you hear us?
Yes.
Okay.
I couldn't for a second, but
All right.
we're good now.
Okay. Oh, that's part one. Okay, number one, part A, I got 0.68. Is that what you got?
Yeah, I just had 0.6799.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, same thing.
All right. Is that what you got too, Abby? Okay. Great. And B, I just said 1006 is greater than 5. That.
It is?
Yep. Okay. C, okay, 0.0288
Yeah.
for the mark there. And then for the confidence interval, 0.651 to 0.709.
Yeah. I think that's
Right.
Yeah.
And then how many college students? Oh, okay, I'm not going to read that. 4,268 for E.
Yeah.
Is that what you? Okay. Great. Number two, on this one I wasn't totally sure for A. I just said the null hypothesis is 60% and the alternative is greater than 60%. Is that what you said? Or
Yeah.
something different?
Yeah.
Okay. And then for the test statistic, I got negative 5.45. Did you get something different?
I apparently left that one blank
Okay.
when I typed it up on my computer.
Thing here on
Let's see.
what did you say?
Negative 5.45.
It says that's 5.173. What did you? I didn't do that one.
Okay.
Because I didn't know if the one I did before it was correct. And like,
Yeah.
not quite sure.
Does it also say 0.60? Okay. Great. Okay. C. Yeah, didn't do that. D. What's your decision? I just said reject the null, and then E. Sufficient evidence to conclude that over 60% get in accidents. So.
Yeah. Yeah. I think that's
Okay. Wonderful.
We're on 17, right?
Yeah, so we can go ahead and start the quiz.
By the way, can you believe we're already on lesson 17?
Yeah, it's great.
I'm ready for this semester.
We only have 40 more days of the semester. Not that I'm keeping track.
Of course not.
I also feel that this last week felt like 3 weeks all crammed into one. It just dragged forever. Anywho,
It's gonna be over soon.
I'm so close to being done. I'm just done with this semester. I'm so done.
Okay, number 3. The symbol for the true population proportion is... okay,
E, correct?
it's the true proportion is... Okay.
The P with the squiggly line over.
Yeah, in my notes I wrote sample proportion p hat represents true proportion p hat, and so I don't know what that means.
I don't understand the notes.
Yep. So is it just? It's just p.
I think so.
Okay.
So the estimate for the true proportion is P.
Okay.
I have the chapter open right now. I'm looking.
All right.
So we can
Yeah, hold it up too.
I'm pretty sure that's correct though.
Suppose n is 20 and p is 1/4. The requirement for constructing a confident interval satisfied is requirements for constructing a constant interval aspect.
Yeah, true proportion is P.
Just P by itself.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Number 4. Requirements. So all the requirements are is that n is greater than 5 or equal to it. So they're,
True.
yeah. Great. So then 4 and 5 are both true, I think.
I think so, yeah.
Great. All right, number 6. A study of first-degree murder trials was conducted in another state. Random sample of 60 people on trial for first-degree murder was taken. Of these, 45 were found guilty. Find the p tilde, the +4 estimator, of the proportion of first-degree murder defendants who are found guilty in this state. Okay, so did you get 0.734?
Yes.
Great.
Did you guys
For 7, I just got 0.75.
Yeah.
For 7, what did
Yeah.
you say? 0.75?
Mm-hmm.
So 6 was 0.734,
Yeah.
and then 7 was 0.75.
Okay.
Because it was three decimals. Those
Oh,
two
a 0, 0.
Yeah.
at the very end of 5.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, 95.
Okay. Did you get I guess C, the third answer for number 8?
Still trying to. So when we. Okay.
Okay.
I got confused for a minute. When we're trying to find that, but we don't have the true proportion, we use the +4 estimator, correct?
Yeah. We
Okay.
do.
Okay, let me do my calculations.
What did you use for N? Was it 60 people?
Plus 4, so I use 64.
Okay, this thing. Okay, so let's do this again. This is a lot of numbers.
So yeah, I got the 0.626 to 0.843.
Okay, great. Me too.
Sorry, I'm still.
Okay.
Equation where it's E minus actually. So
Oh, it's just 64, right? Rather than 64 plus 4.
Yeah, I just use 64. Well,
Okay.
you can do 60 plus 4, but it doesn't really matter.
Wait, what are these? What did you guys get?
0.626 and 0.843.
I don't understand the whole numbers here. Oh, you have to wait. What?
Okay, so this one is 1.96. Well, so this is 0.734 minus 1.96. This is 0.734 times 1 times 1 minus 0.734 over 64.
So I
But
got.
you have to have all the parentheses in the right
So I got for
spot
this
for
bottom
it.
one. I got this number.
we should have a smarter calculator.
Is that right? I don't know that. I can't see everything.
So this 1.96 is supposed to be multiplied by this, not this. You're not supposed to add these together first. So
So the P plus the Z, that's a separate.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Now you got it.
Oh, makes sense.
Yep.
It's not so the 0.96 is not part of the.
No. So you multiply 1.96 times
this.
the.
Is that right?
No. Well, I mean, you multiply the Z score times this, and then add this later.
Okay.
Yep. All right. So number 9. If you increase the sample size, then the confidence interval would decrease.
Yeah.
626 and then 0.843
So what was our Z-score for that?
for
The Z score?
it's the
1.96.
because the interval is like the 90 is like 1.645 and
Like
95.
I'm getting the same numbers as you guys.
Yeah.
Why are you
Like those numbers are given. With
Yeah.
those like so then you have to know, do they want 90% or 95 or 99?
Okay,
And it's
so
all
under the 95%, it was the point.
one. Or no, it's the 1.96.
One.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay.
And it's different for
Okay, so number 9 is decrease. Okay, number 10, to conduct a hypothesis test for one proportion, 2 requirements must be met. Suppose P equals half, what is the smallest N can be, and both requirements still be met?
So I think 20.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's what I got. And then 100 for the next one.
Yes.
All right.
minus 20 and then 11 is here. Um, okay, 12 through 17.
Okay. For the water quality study in the reading, about 60% of the macroinvertebrate water quality indicators have historically been associated with good health. The researchers suspect that water quality in the area has decreased. They conduct a hypothesis test using significance level alpha equals 0.05 with the following hypotheses. They collect new data, and this time n equals 80 and x equals 38 indicate good health. Conditions for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied. True. And then find p hat. All right, 0.475.
Yep.
0.47 times that one. Find Z.
Okay, I got 2.239.
Second. What did you get?
2.239.
I got like 2.28.
Okay.
Yeah, let me do this again.
Okay.
Oh man.
Yeah, I got negative 2.28.
Okay. Okay, so I did the z-score equals p hat minus p over the square root of p times 1 minus p over n.
Yeah, I did the same.
Okay. What did you guys get?
Wait, you said P minus the P, right?
Mm-hmm.
Which is
What did you use for your P?
So
0.6.
Yeah, 0.475.
Minus the 0.06 then.
Well, I did 0.6 minus 0.475. Because
What was the standard deviation?
Because I thought it was P
Oh,
minus the 0.6.
yeah, I flipped. I guess I flipped the equation, so that's why I did it wrong. I'm pretty sure.
So, putting in all of our lovely.
Alyssa, what did you say you got? I got this.
I got negative 0.2. Wait. No, wait.
I didn't flip it though. I did it.
No, I forgot.
I got negative 2.239, just like Alyssa. Yeah, I didn't flip mine.
Wait, okay. So then I must be doing something wrong. So you took, because I took 0.475 minus 0.6, and then divided it by that big long. Because for the standard deviation, it was
I got what you got, Alyssa.
times 0.4. Huh?
I have negative 2.282.
Yeah.
So, I do this kind of different just because it's hard for me to keep track of which parentheses it is. So I just did my normal.
You figure out the
4,
top
7,
first
5,
time.
and then I have that in its own little bubble, and then I'll figure out the bottom and then divide them. Because you don't have to necessarily do it all at once. And then I'll do the bottom, and then I'll plug that in, and I've got negative 0.125 divided by 0.05.
Okay, I think I figured it out. So, let's see here. All right, so yeah, you guys did it right. I used 0.475 in the standard to find out the standard deviation when I was supposed to use 0.6, and so that's why I got different answers, guys. So you guys are right because I did it the way that I was supposed to and got the same thing as you.
Okay.
So it's 2.282.
Negative?
Or is it? Do you guys get negative?
Well, I got negative, but the other quiz has me wondering if.
Oh yeah, that's true.
2.
Yeah, because I got negative 2.282.
Let's just put positive.
Yeah.
We have a
like,
50%. We're going to keep it positive or negative?
I'm just putting in the
Oh.
Okay, and then so the p-value is going to be 0.0112. Well, 0.011.
because it's you highlighted the last part, right?
Mhm.
Very, very left corner.
So would you our what is it? Our alpha is 0.05. So would you reject? No, because it's less.
Yeah.
Rejected.
Yep.
There is sufficient evidence to conclude that water quality in the area has decreased. There is sufficient evidence to conclude that water quality in the area has increased. What were they saying earlier?
So the researchers think that it has decreased. And so because we're rejecting the null, then we want to say that, yeah, it has decreased.
So it'll be A, right?
Yeah.
So it's sufficient because we have sufficient evidence to say that it's wrong.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know, these wording.
Oh, just so you know, you should put that the z-score is negative if you haven't already.
Okay, that's what I had it in as.
Did you
Okay.
just submit it?
Yeah.
Oh. I haven't quite got there, but I didn't change it from negative.
All right.
It wasn't too bad.
Yeah. So what is your what?
I got number 5.
Yeah. I got that wrong too. I don't know why.
Yeah.
What's your guys' schedule like for next week?
Okay, I'm available Saturday all day.
Okay.
That's you.
What about you, Alyssa?
I am also available all day Saturday.
Okay. What
I know,
about
I'm
you?
taking vacation days from work.
Awesome.
But that only takes like 30 minutes, so we could either meet after that or before that. Either way is
We
fine.
can do 11:30.
Great.
It's my only day off.
Yeah,
Okay.
that sounds good. Okay, so
6:30 in the morning. I want it now.
11:30 Mountain Time on Saturday.
Okay, sounds good.
Awesome. Great.
Do you guys
See you
just want to
then.
meet here again?
Guys.
Bye.
Bye.
We can meet here, we can meet back where we